Now that midterms are rolling around, I thought it would be a relatively good idea to just discuss some of the better ways to study actually for the midterm. Now, the first one revolves around if the professor or teacher gave you a packet with either the same questions or similar questions to the midterm. The best way to study this is just to take pictures of it, upload it to any online area, write down the answers, and now you just have flashcards that you can review anytime that you want. And by that time, just memorize most of the questions, or at least most of the content on the questions. Now, the next one is if the teacher gave you a study rubric with all of the key terms, which often predominantly happens in English class. For this, you don't really have to study at all. The only things you need to know are general terms pertaining to that subject. So, for example, if it's English, you have to know syntax, you have to know diction, you have to know kano and denotation, stuff like that, and you should be fine for the rest of the test, because usually it's just cold reads. Now, the third method revolves around if the teacher gives you an actual study guide, which is just all of the content that you covered the entire year. Now, with that study guide, you can either A, just make notes, make flashcards, make a practice test that you can take, which pretty easily can be done by AI, or just rewrite the entire study guide in language that you can actually understand it, just so that you get a firmer grasp of the actual material that's on the study guide.